Hi everyone, I have been meaning to do my collection tour. Okay, I have finally finished and got cleaned up everything. Okay, so now I can finally do my collection tour. Okay, this is my gaming tour and my Hot Toys slash 1/6 scale collection tour. Okay, so let's start with this part of the room. This is my neon sign. Okay, this is like very like 2-3 years old, but it's still going and it still looks wonderful. Okay, so this is actually my collection. Okay, this part, okay, this side is like PlayStation setup, gaming setup. I have games over there, and this is the mostly PlayStation gaming setup. Okay, but this part is PC. I do work here and I do my graphic design and everything, and I also play PC games on this side. Okay, so this is PC gaming side and this is PlayStation gaming. Okay, and the rest is all my collection, my figures and my car models and everything. Okay, and I also have this IKEA Detolf. Okay, this is also pretty much full already, so I need another display case. I will buy another one pretty soon, even though I am running low on space, but new figures still have to go somewhere. Okay, but I am happy with collection so far. So this is what it's gonna look like for like next few months. Okay, so let's start here. Okay, I will go each part in detail. This is the game I'm currently I have. This is my PlayStation gaming collection. Okay, so I have whatever exclusive on PlayStation I buy on PlayStation. The rest I play on PC only. Okay, so these are the PlayStation exclusive. I prefer to play them on PlayStation the way they were meant to be played, because I have adopted triggers and everything on PlayStation controller. So I like to play them on PlayStation. Okay, this is 1/10 scale Kratos. Okay, I repainted this on YouTube also. You can find video in my videos. Okay, so this is repainted, but this is 1/10 scale. This is not 1/6 scale. I also have 1/6 scale, but this is 1/10 scale. Okay, so I just have this in the open. Whenever I play on PlayStation, I can look at him. It looks pretty good. Okay, and also here is like diorama for Cyberpunk. Okay, this is totally custom uh, diorama that I built myself. Okay, so this is Johnny Silverhand and this is V, character from Cyberpunk game. I also have like armory type of thing. When we go to our safe house, we find the like legendary guns are hanged up on wall like this, displayed on wall like this. So I just tried to replicate that in this diorama. And these accessories come with these two figures, and some I edit custom also, like that bin I just added there to make it look like a room setup or like diorama, so it does look cool. And the lights and everything is totally custom. I built it myself. Okay, so this is my view when I'm playing on PlayStation or PC. Okay, so I just look at this. I love Cyberpunk game. It's definitely much better now after the release of Phantom Liberty DLC. So I love that game, so I wanted to like have some memorabilia from that game. Okay, so this is that. Now we just go through this display case. Okay, so let's start by here. Okay, this is the Batman from Hot Toys. Okay, this is pretty much stock, but there are a few things I changed on him. Like the collar, I just used the hair dryer to make it bigger a bit. I didn't buy the custom one yet. I will buy it later on, but currently this is stock collar. But this is modded. I mean, like, I use the heat gun to expand it to make it look bigger. Okay, and the cape also I cut from middle and then use velcro to separate it so it looks more movie accurate. The rest is pretty much stock. Okay, so this is the Batman Deluxe version. Okay, then this is Kratos. Okay, this is pretty special to me because this is totally custom. Okay, so I bought a head sculpt from AliExpress. Okay, and I painted him myself. Then this body is a TB League body. Okay, this I used oil pastel to paint on it because you cannot use the standard acrylic paint, so you have to use oil pastel to color the body. Okay, and the armor is made from real leather. Okay, this is not PU, this is not plastic, this is real genuine leather, and this everything on him I made it myself. Okay, this axe and his shield I bought from AliExpress. These were like keychain, but I took off the keychain part and then I just used they scale perfectly with him. These are pretty much 1/6 scale, so they go perfectly with him. So I just used them as his weapon. He even have the blades of chaos behind him. So this is like perfect. And then the Mimir also I got 3D printed and then painted myself also. Okay, so this is all totally custom. Okay, and then the base is also custom. This logo is 3D printed, but the rest of the base I used the clay to model it, and then I used the like diorama snow and grass to make like a diorama base for him. And it even has a light up, and the runes from the game also I tried to put on it, so you can see there's a little bit light coming from it. So this is actually a light up diorama base. There is one more extra X behind the shield there. Okay, so this is my custom 1/6 scale Kratos. Okay, actually the TB League body, the height is not proper for Kratos because Kratos have to be taller than other figures. Okay, so what I did is I used the like length extender in his legs. Okay, so to increase the his height. You cannot see it because I made like a custom boots for him, but I used the height extender to increase his height. So now his height is pretty accurate in terms of Kratos height if you shrink it down to 1/6 scale. Okay, so then this is Captain Jack Sparrow from Hot Toys. Okay, this is pretty standard, nothing custom on him except the belts. Okay, you see the belts there. His belts are genuine leather. Okay, I upgraded and changed his belts to genuine leather because this figure is old, and then the Hot Toys used the PU leather. They were like completely destroyed. Even though this figure I bought it brand new, but in the box they were like completely destroyed, so I just upgraded the belts to genuine leather belts. Okay, I hope you can see it. Okay, but his belts are genuine leather now. The rest is totally custom, totally standard. Okay, nothing is custom on him, but this is pretty cool. I like the base as well, and this is pretty cool figure. Okay, now this section from here until here. Okay, this section is Dark Knight / Dark Knight Rises section. Okay, okay, let's go to this. This is Bruce Wayne head sculpt that comes with DX19 Batman set, but I used another custom body. I don't know which brand is this body. I just bought used, so I'm not sure which brand created this body, but this goes very well with the DX19 head. Okay, then we have a Bane. This Bane is also pretty much custom. Okay, the Bane that Hot Toy created, the body is like funny very small and it's not accurate at all. Okay, so this is TB League body also. This is seamless. You can see there are no joints on him, and the clothes and everything is from Hot Toys, but the body is custom. Okay, and then the head is also Hot Toys, base is also Hot Toys, everything is Hot Toys, just the body is TB League body. Okay, then this Catwoman, Selina Kyle Catwoman. Okay, this is from Fire Toys. This is not Hot Toys. This is Fire Toys 1/6 scale Catwoman. Okay, I think they just copied Hot Toys, but the price is much lower, so I just bought this one because it looks pretty similar to Hot Toys, the first version, and yeah, the condition was pretty good. I bought it used as well, and this looks pretty good to me. And the base is, I think, from Hot Toys. This one, the base is separate. I bought from another seller selling the base, and the figure is from Fire Toys. Okay, then this is pretty much standard, nothing custom on him. This is DX19 Batman, the latest one from Hot Toys. I think they are releasing new armory set. That Batman looks pretty good, but for now this is the latest that we can buy, so I just have the DX19 for now. Okay, after that, this is Inart standard Joker. This is sculpted here Joker. This is not rooted here. This also looks pretty good, nothing custom on him. This is standard as well, and I have the dollar bills on the base, and then the handcuff, and also his dagger. Okay, so he is pretty standard, but this is like very cool figure. Okay, now we come to Superman. I think from head to toe everything is modded and custom. Okay, first of all, the head sculpt I bought from AliExpress. Okay, and then I painted it myself. You can see the detail. It turned out pretty well, because the default head from Hot Toys is like not accurate at all to Henry Cavill. So I just bought the head sculpt from AliExpress and painted myself. Okay, then the cape is standard cape from Hot Toys, but I just inserted wires inside. Okay, so this is still standard cape, just the wires inside. Okay, then his body is also repainted. Okay, to look, especially the S. You see the standard Hot Toys one has the very like thick black outline on S, which is not accurate at all. So I just repainted the S symbol, and then the body is also repainted. Okay, and I also did modifications in his body as well. Okay, and another thing is this one is not using the standard clamp for flight stand. Okay, this one I'm using the wires to hang him with this stand off from Hot Toys, so it looks like he's actually flying. Okay, and then this is Batman. They go really well together. The base is also same. This is a black chrome version of armored Batman. This one is also completely standard, nothing custom on him. Okay, then bottom here, under my Dark Knight collection, there is a Batpod. So Batpod, this is very recently added to my collection. Okay, like 1 or 2 weeks ago. Okay, I have two spotlights. Okay, one is this spotlight and another is here. Okay, so two spotlights are focused on this, because this section of my collection is pretty dark. Without these spotlights you cannot see because this is very dark. So that's why I focused spotlights on him, but now you can clearly see it looks very cool, and it's directly under the Dark Knight collection, on top of the Cyberpunk diorama. Okay, so this is the latest Dark Knight Rises Batpod. Okay, Okay, so this is my PC setup, gaming setup. I'm using the MSI curved monitor. This is VA panel, but it still looks quite good, even though it's not latest. I have a Razer Black Widow keyboard and also Razer mouse. I don't know the model name, but this mouse is also from Razer, and my headphones are also from Razer. Okay, Kraken headphones. Okay, then PC, I'm using RTX 3070 Ti. Okay, it's not from 40 series, but it's still working quite good. And I am also using Ryzen 5700X, I think. I'm not really sure, but and also I have 8 GB RAM for, I don't know, you can calculate, but all of these units are 8 GB each. Okay, so this is my PC, and then this is my car model collection. These three are from Jeda 1/24 scale, 24 scale. Okay, and then these statues from Fast and Furious are 3D printed, and then I painted them myself. This is Paul Walker, this is Hans from Tokyo Drift, and then this is Vin Diesel. Okay, the top one, I don't know the brand name, but they are also in scale with each other. But this bottom section is Fast and Furious. Okay, and then this is, wait, let me turn on the light. Okay, this is 3D printed dragon. Okay, this I got it 3D printed and then I painted it myself. Okay, this is also like a diorama base. I used the diorama grass, and then the behind lamp I painted it orange color so it goes with the theme. Okay, so this also looks pretty cool as well, and especially in the dark you can see the light glow. It goes with the theme. Okay, so now we come to my DTOF. I have a turntable. This one is USB powered, and then I have a War Machine and Mark 7. Mark 7 is my favorite Iron Man. I don't really care about the MCU, but I love Iron Man, so I just bought these two just to like have Iron Man in my collection. Okay, but other than these from MCU, I don't have any other figure. Then this is the Spider-Man 3 black suit with Sandman diorama base. Okay, this one is also modified. You can see the eyes on him are custom. I got it 3D printed and painted them myself, because the standard Hot Toys eyes are not really accurate, so it did bother me, so I got it 3D printed. And the body also have a bit of modification inside, so I just put like a foam inside to make him bulkier a bit. Okay, then I have a classic Predator from Predator's movie. This is like a classic Predator. Okay, so I love Predator, so I had to have him also in the collection. Then the bottom part of the shelf is just Harry Potter. I have like a few books and Harry Potter wand and like a logo, 3D printed logo. So this is also pretty cool. Okay, so that's all. That's my collection pretty much, and my gaming setup. And then I keep changing few things here and there, but I think this is like totally finished for now. I'm happy with how it looks right now. Okay, so this is just what my collection looks like from far away. Let me move the chair. Okay, so this is what my collections look like. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments.